Hey everyone, it's Jonathan here, founder of Driving Academy, and let's give you 3 reasons why you should keep trucking in 2023. So if you already have your CDL license, or maybe you're thinking about getting a CDL license, getting yourself into the trucking industry might be one of the best things for you to do in 2023, and I'm going to give you 3 reasons why. Reason number 1 is going to be there's a huge truck driver shortage. Some people say that there's an 80,000 truck driver shortage. Personally, I think it's over 100,000 truck drivers, which means that there's more jobs available out there than there are actually people who can fulfill those jobs. Once you get a CDL license, you become that much more valuable because we get paid based on how valuable we are, which means that the least amount of people who are able to do that job and you're able to do that, now you just become that much more valuable in the marketplace, right? So that being said, if 80,000 people got hired today, that's a whole football stadium got hired today, then we'll fulfill all the job requires. But there is no 80,000 people who are going to get hired today, which means there's definitely going to be a job for you. Second thing is going to be the pay. So one thing about truck drivers, they've been consistently getting raises every single year, year over year. We have countless of students who actually graduated with us about a year ago or 2 years ago, and they start off making $50,000 to $60,000 a year, and now about 2 years in, they're making close to $100,000 a year driving a truck for a company. Not even driving for themselves, not being an owner-operator, and they're getting super close to making 6 figures. That's super crazy being a truck driver. Who knew that you can actually get paid so much? These guys who actually stayed consistent and stayed with a safety record that was above most, right, were able to get the highest paychecks out there, and all they have to do is follow our processes, follow our procedures on how to drive a truck safely, and that's what we'll teach you here at Driving Academy. And then the third thing that most people are not talking about is going to be truck prices. So truck prices went crazy through the roof at one point about 2 years ago, where everybody was starting to overpay for trucks because everyone trying to get into the industry, and now the truck prices are starting to stable back out. We actually just purchased 3 different trucks for our own facility that we're looking to expand into another location. I think we paid like $16,000 per truck, and these are pretty good sized, good trucks, no crazy damage, nothing like that. We had a mechanic go in and inspect the truck inside and out, and everything was pretty good. And you're seeing that around the board all across the country. So if you've been driving for a little bit, you have some money saved up, now might be the best time to go and find yourself a good truck deal so you can actually get yourself moving onto the next level, which is becoming an owner-operator. Now, owner-operators in the past have been the ones who struggle the most simply because of 2 factors. Factor number 1, they overpaid for the truck itself, and then which caused their fixed costs to be too high. Now all of a sudden, factor number 2, the rates dropped down a little bit more than what they should have, and now all of a sudden they can't pay off their expenses. And in any business, when your expenses are higher than your revenues coming in, you're not going to have a successful business. But now that the fact that trucks are cheaper will give you the opportunity to make sure that you're getting a truck at a good rate before they start going back up again, and you can follow the wave of the rates going up. Because now I do see a lot of truck drivers who are starting to make more and more money again during this time of year. And summertime is usually a good time for trucking as well. So if this is something that you want to get yourself into, I definitely invite you to check out our website, CDLDrivingAcademy.com. Again, CDLDrivingAcademy.com. Thanks. Have a great day. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, make sure you hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel. It's really going to help us out. Click on that button. And if you want to continue yourself on your road to freedom, here's more videos to watch. There's endless amounts. Hopefully we get to see each other one day very soon. Thanks.